original attempt was to inaugurate this program at 10. Now it is, I think, 10:45. But anyway, just 2-3 lines from my side. The program is Mathematics Teachers Enrichment Workshop. Why this workshop is necessary actually? My question is, I think many of you are teachers here, but I think particularly attempt is to participants are teachers. Our research scholars are here, students are here. Our attempt is to teachers. All of you are teachers, already experienced teachers. You are teaching mathematics in the school or colleges. You are teaching already. That means we are also teachers. Research person is also teacher. Professor Rojit Bogdogi is teacher. Always we say teachers are learners. So all of them in the dais are also learner. You are also learner. Sometimes from that learners we act as resource person, act as expert. So from that point of view, actually this type of workshop, not seminar, workshop is not for experts.